So guys, you have to write IIT Kharagpur VLab at first in Google. Then you have to click on the IIT Kharagpur VLab first link, and then you have to click on Digital Electronic Lab New. Then you have to click on list of experiments, and you have to open number 4 experiment, that is relation of logic functions with the help of universal gates, that is NAND gate and NOR gate. It is the aim of the experiment. And this is the theory of the experiment. Here it is written in number 1 that how NAND gate is used as an universal gate. And here it is shown that how OR gate is formed using NAND gate. The formula is derived through De Morgan's law. Similarly, here it is shown how AND gate is formed using NAND gate, that is universal gate. Here XOR gate is formed, how NAND gate, it is shown. And here XNOR gate is formed using NAND gate. The formula are all derived through De Morgan's law. Here, an expression is given using NAND gate. Similarly, different gates formed using NOR gate is given here in the theory part. Now we are going to simulation part. It is the simulation part of the experiment. Here it is shown how NAND gate is used as universal gate and how NOR gate is used as universal gate. First we are performing the simulation of OR gate using NAND gate. Here we know that y is equal to a plus b is the formula. So at first we have to connect A to the third circuit, then B, then the answer is a plus b. Let we have checked it. The connection is right connection. Now we are performing the experiment of how AND gate is formed using NAND gate. Here y is equal to a into b. So we have to connect a to a and b to b. A into b. Let's we check it. It is right connection. Now we are using the experiment XOR gate using NAND gate. In this way, we had connected XOR gate and XNOR gate using NAND gate. Now we are solving an expression using NAND gate. It is a simple expression in which we have to connect B to B, A to A bar to A bar, B bar to B bar, C bar to C bar, and D bar to D bar. Now see how I connect this circuit. In the similar way, we have to make these all gates using universal NOR gates. In the similar way, this is the connection for OR gate and AND gate using universal NOR gate. These are the connections for XOR gate and XNOR gate using universal NOR gates. And this is an expression which is solved using universal NOR gates. A very thanks to all of you for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, then please give a like, subscribe on the channel to get more and more updates. To give your feedback, please give it on the comment section and share this video to most of your friends.